Green gloves on, no fear. Punches flying quick, make the crowd cheer. Mind sharp as attack, opponents in a daze. Eyes locked on the prize through the blinding haze. 808th pound, my heart echoes in sync. Brass stabs like thunder, don't even blink. Fast hi-hats tick, tick like a timer set. Victory in my veins, ain't lost it yet. Fighter's heart, I'm built for the clash. Strings grit, tension up, ready to smash. Sweat drips, fists fly, all out attack. Vocal chants rise, can't hold me back. Orchestra symphony, chaos in control. Drums pound heavy, anchored to my soul. Opponent on the ropes, time to deliver. Final shot lands, makes the crowd shiver. Drops hit hard like life's grand finale. Victory melodies climbing out the valley. Blood, sweat, tears, it's all on the line. Champions rise, the stars perfectly align. Green strings hum, the sound of triumph near. Powerful drums dictate the course I steer. Barrier breaking, reaching my height. Cinematic, dramatic, my future's bright. Hit hard like life's grand finale. Victory melodies climbing out the valley. Blood, sweat, tears, it's all on the line. Champions rise, the stars perfectly align.